Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to make an email contact list in Outlook. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account. Once you're logged in, wait a moment for your emails to load completely. This ensures everything is synced and ready to work with. Now that your email has loaded, it's time to start creating your contact list. Navigate to the contact menu, which you'll find located on the lower left part of your screen. Look for an icon that shows two people. This is your contact menu. Go ahead and click on it to open up your contacts section. Once your contact menu opens, you'll see all the tools you need to manage and organize your contacts. To create an email contact list, look at the top left part of your screen where your tools and menus are located. From here, click on the New Contact Group button. This is the feature that allows you to group multiple contacts together under one name, making it much easier to send emails to teams, departments, or any group of people you regularly communicate with. After clicking New Contact Group, a contact group window will appear on your screen. This is where you'll build and customize your email contact list. To start adding members to this group, click on the Add Members button at the top of the window. A drop-down menu will appear, presenting you with 3 different methods for adding contacts to your list. You can choose to add contacts from your Outlook contacts, from your address book, or you can enter email addresses directly. Each option gives you flexibility depending on how your contacts are currently stored. Go ahead and choose the source that works best for you. If your contacts are already saved in Outlook, selecting from Outlook contacts is the quickest option. If you need to pull from a broader address book or manually type in new email addresses, those options are there as well. Once you've selected your source, all you have to do is populate this new contact group with the contacts you want to include. You can add as many members as you need, and Outlook will save them all under this single group name. And that's it. You've successfully created an email contact list in Outlook, making it much easier to send group emails without typing each address individually. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.